Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Speaking general question topic on collection things. Do you like collecting things? Your answer no. Now I don't collect anything because I am not very into any particular things. But when I was a kid, I used to collect stamps because at that time collecting stamps was the thing, so I was jumping on the bandwagon. But later I did not find interesting anymore. Second question. Are there any things you keep from childhood? I am afraid no. Keeping something from childhood is just impossible for me because I am not very organized. So basically, I am always losing my things or just forgetting where they are. So, how can you expect a man like me to keep something from the childhood? Your third question. Where do you usually keep the things you need? Your answer is there is a no particular place. I just find a spot to see whether there is enough space to keep the things I need. I do admit my house looked messy and disordered, but for me it is a total okay as long as I can find what I want whenever necessary. Your fourth question. What kind of things do people often like collecting? I suppose all sorts, but most common ones are the stamp, coin, pen, and such like. But there is a very simple popular one among young generation. Sneaker. You can always hear them talk about things like Air Jordan, all the shapes and size. They are crazy about the shoe, like lovers even are willing to wait outside the flagship store for up to 10 hours just hoping to get the newly released one. Why do you think people collect this certain object? Your answer, it varies from person to person. Some collectors do it because they want to make money. They may look for, say, antiquities that you can buy cheaply and expect to sell them at a profit. Other people may do it for fun, like my friends has been collecting coin for many years. I suppose he can get a strong sense of the personal fulfillment for doing so. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.